this course is for traders who wants to discover how to analyze the market with the most powerful candlestick patterns. Okay, let's go to. Give me a moment. Uh, yeah. So also you should know, if you know how prices move in the forex market, the microphone is ignoring me. Yeah. If you know how prices move in the forex market, would you finally become would you finally become a successful trader? What if I told you that you can learn a revolutionary approach to view the market? Would you take the opportunity to improve your trading skills and change your life? So you are welcome to Candlestick Patterns to master Forex trading prices action, okay? Because this course is the ultimate course in YouTube that is free for everybody to master trading. Yeah, unlike most courses that I have attended about Forex candlesticks, where people feel complete to memorize all the patterns. So here you will not just memorize the patterns, but you will learn how I said, yeah, how you will do your own strategy to start making money and making a good profit. Yeah, you can have the freedom. This course provides a rationale for why particular patterns are reliable setups for traders. Okay, my aim is to change the simple viewing of a candlestick chart into a search for the answers, who is controlling the market. Okay, buyers or sellers. In this way you will get something more than a list of patterns that you can apply on the market. You will understand how and why prices move through the study of the candlesticks. You will learn how to make money studying the supply and demand of a currency pair. The course starts with an entire section to prepare you for a better understanding of the Japanese candlesticks. This session may look as a sort of introducing, but it is the most important section. So please be careful about the section that I will show you I will show you how to prepare yourself and understanding the Japanese candlesticks is the most important section. Many years ago, I bought a very popular book about Japanese candlesticks charting techniques by Steve Nason. The author teaches 39 different candlesticks patterns in his book, and I thought, if I study one pattern per day, I will finish the book in less than 6 weeks. How long do you think it will take you to learn all the candlesticks patterns? 6 weeks, maybe a bit more if you are busy at work. Okay, I challenge you, after going through the section or the session the section about supply and demand, you will understand all the secrets behind the candlesticks. Okay, patterns, and you will approach the market with a logical perspective. Okay, perspective. So the challenge is that you will effectively study all the patterns in 1 hour. Okay, so uh, all the all the patterns I will give you, you can study them just in 1 hour. I studied them in a 6 week. That's why I'm using my knowledge to share with you those videos. It is not a kind of unrealistic advertisement to let you watch my course on YouTube, uh, or to subscribe in my channel new cat top, Mr. Hamza. I truly believe that within this approach, you will get an in-depth knowledge of all the candlesticks patterns in just 1 hour. Okay, what kind of candlesticks patterns will you learn? The course is divided in 3 different sections, okay, for the study of the candlesticks. In the first candle section, you will find hammer, handyman, shooting star, doji, and many other single six patterns. In the second section, you will find the bullish engulfing patterns, the bearish engulfing patterns, the piercing patterns, and many other double candlesticks patterns. Last section is about triple candlesticks patterns with the rising and falling tree method, and the master candle. Section 7 covers all the practical aspects of trading with the candlesticks. You will learn how to spot candlesticks. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, let's complete. You will learn to spot candlesticks patterns in your charts. Okay, how to trade them, and how to place stop loss and take profit. In section 8, you will find all the live trades with real money that I have recorded for the course, and that I will still record. It is a section that will be updated frequently with new live examples. By the end of the course, I will show you how to use the most popular indicator and how to combine them with the study of the candlesticks patterns. You will learn how to use the different types of moving average, and how to analyze the market with the RSI relative strong index. Okay. Since I strongly believe that every trader should develop his own method to trade, I have also added a lecture to guide you to build your own own trading strategy. Section 10 is a bonus section. I always encourage students to ask questions, so feel free in the comments. You will find all